Welcome to the Piece of English podcast.
Hey there, English explorers. Welcome back to Piece of English. I'm Emma.
And I'm John. Today we're having one of those real talk episodes. Why so many people get stuck at the intermediate level and what to do about it.
Yes, if you've been learning English for a while but feel like you're not improving anymore, you're not alone. This is called hitting a plateau.
Plateau?
Yep, a plateau is when something levels off. Like you're not going up or down, you're just stuck. For example, I've been at B1 for a year. I've hit a plateau.
Oh yes, I know the feeling. So why does this happen?
Why the plateau happens. One big reason is something I call passive learning. People watch English shows, listen to songs, but they don't use the language.
Exactly. You have to be deliberate with your learning.
Deliberate?
That means intentional. You're not just hoping to learn, you're planning it. I'm deliberately studying phrasal verbs this week.
So not just listening and hoping it sticks.
Right. And honestly, some learners get a bit complacent at this stage.
Complacent? That's a big word.
Haha, true. Complacent means you're too comfortable and you stop trying hard. For example, I could order food in English, so I got complacent and stopped learning.
That's a trap. Language is like exercise. If you stop pushing, you stop growing.
Another reason people get stuck, they stop growing their vocabulary.
Yes, you need to refine your vocabulary.
Refine? Remind me what that means?
It means to improve something by making small changes. She refined her accent by listening to British radio every day.
That's such a good habit. And it's not just about knowing more words. It's about learning nuanced words too.
Wait, what does nuanced mean?
Something that's nuanced shows small, subtle differences. Happy and content both mean you're okay, but content is a quieter kind of happy.
Ooh, I love that example. So it's not just about big words, it's about precise ones.
Exactly. And the best way to sound more fluent? Learn collocations.
Remind me, what are collocations?
Yeah, words that like to stick together. Like make a mistake, not do a mistake.
Oh, like heavy rain, not strong rain. That's one too, right?
Yep. The more you use these, the more articulate you become.
Articulate?
It means you express ideas clearly and smoothly. She's so articulate. Everyone understands her right away. All right, friends. Time for our advanced word recap. Here's what we learned today. Plateau. A flat point where growth stops. Deliberate. Done on purpose. Intentional. Complacent. Too comfortable. Not trying anymore. Refine. Improve in small ways. Nuanced. Showing small, detailed differences. Collocations. Words that naturally go together. Articulate. Able to express ideas clearly.
If you've ever felt stuck with your English, we hope this episode gave you a cozy little push forward.
And if it helped, leave us a comment. Which of these words was new for you? And what tip are you going to try this week?
And remember, learning English is like hiking. The higher you go, the better the view.
We'll see you next time on
Piece of English.